Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We're going to pit two dash cams against each other and see which one comes out on top. In the left corner, we have the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, and in the right corner, we have the DKK Dash Cam 1080p Full HD. Let the battle of the dash cams begin. Let's start with everyone's favorite category, price. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes in at $129, while the DKK Dash Cam 1080p Full HD is a steal at just $99. Now that's what I call a sweet deal. Next up, let's talk about size and design. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is as small as a car key and can easily be hidden behind your rearview mirror. It's so discreet that it practically goes unnoticed. On the other hand, the DKK Dash Cam 1080p Full HD is also compact, but it comes with a 170-degree wide-angle front camera and a waterproof rear camera. It captures all three lanes of the road. Talk about covering all angles. Now let's dive into the most important aspect of a dash cam: video quality. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 records in 1080p with Garmin Clarity HDR optics, ensuring crisp detail day and night. It's like having a professional camera in your car. Meanwhile, the DKK Dash Cam 1080p Full HD also offers 1080p video, but with its IPS display and WDR function, the recordings are vivid, colorful, and clear. It's like watching a blockbuster movie. Let's move on to special features. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes with voice control, allowing you to save videos, start-stop audio recording, take still pictures, and more, all with spoken commands. It's like having a personal assistant in your car. Plus, it has a parking guard feature that monitors activity around your parked vehicle and alerts you if an incident is detected. Talk about being a superhero for your car. On the other hand, the DKK Dash Cam 1080p Full HD offers loop recording, which automatically overwrites the oldest video when the SD card is full. It also has an accident lock feature that automatically saves and locks videos when the car is hit. No more worrying about losing important footage. Now let's talk about connectivity. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 automatically uploads saved videos via Wi-Fi connection to the secure online vault. You can easily view and share your recordings later. It even allows you to access the camera remotely for live view monitoring when you're away from your parked car. How cool is that? On the other side, the DKK Dash Cam 1080p Full HD offers easy installation and an all-in-one design. They've even included a crowbar and cable clips to help you set up the dash cam faster. It's like they're saying, hey, even a novice can handle this. Last but not least, let's discuss some additional features. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 includes a dual USB charger, giving you an extra USB charging port. It's perfect for keeping your devices powered up on the go. Just make sure you have an 8GB micro SD card or higher, up to 512 GB, and you're good to go. Meanwhile, the DKK Dash Cam 1080p Full HD offers lifetime warranty and reliable customer care. They have a professional after-sales team available 24/7 to assist you. Now that's what I call peace of mind. Overall, the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 has received positive reviews for its compact size, durability, ease of use, and high-quality recordings. Reviewers also appreciate its voice control and parking guard features. However, some reviewers have mentioned issues with a bright red light at night and difficulties with wireless Apple CarPlay. On the other hand, the DKK Dash Cam 1080p Full HD has been praised for its video quality, wide-angle lens, user-friendly interface, loop recording feature, and GPS tracking system. Reviewers also appreciate the seller's commitment to standing by their products and providing excellent customer service. However, there have been some reports of the camera experiencing issues after a few months of use.
And there you have it, folks.
We've compared the Garmin Cam Mini 2 and the DKK Cam 1080p Full HD in various categories. Both dash cams have their unique strengths, but it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best.
Remember, always do your research before making a purchase. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and we'll see you in the next video.